Dear students, in this session we shall work some problems under the chapter Trigonometry. Verify the following equalities. First question, verify if cos 90 degree equals 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degrees, that is equal to 2 cos square 45 degrees minus 1. Solution. To solve this problem, we are going to make use of the values of trigonometric ratios of standard angles which we have learned in our earlier videos. Sin 45 degree equals 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree value is also equal to 1 by root 2. Now, cos 90 degree equals 0. We will have it as step number 1. 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degrees will be now equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square. That will be equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2, which will be equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. We will have it as step number 2. Also, 2 cos square 45 degrees minus 1 will be equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 1, which will be 2 by 2 minus 1. That also will be equal to 0. We will have it as step number 3. From step number 1, 2 and 3, we note that all these values are one and the same. All the values are equal to 0. Are you observing that? Okay. Therefore, we can conclude that cos 90 degree equals 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degrees, that is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Hence, the sum is proved. Now, moving on to the second question, we need to verify if sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree equals sin 90 degrees. Solution. We know that sin 30 degree value equals 1 by 2, cos 60 degree value equals 1 by 2, cos 30 degree equals root 3 by 2, and sin 60 degree value is also equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree equals 1. Now we are going to substitute these values in the given question and then see whether the equality holds good or not. Coming to the left hand side of the problem, we have sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degrees. That will give us 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, which will be equal to 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 will be 3 by 4. That is how we have the next step to be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. On further simplification, we note that this value is equal to 1. Coming to the right hand side of the given question, we have sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is also equal to 1. This is from the tables which we have learned earlier. Since LHS is now equal to the right hand side value, both are equal to 1. Are you observing that? Right. Therefore, we can say that the given equality holds true. In other words, sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree will be equal to sin 90 degree. Thank you, students.